Hello students, now we complete connective tissue. In the previous video we left specialized connective tissue with the description of bone and cartilage. Now the fluid connective tissue also comes under specialized connective tissue. So specialized connective tissue. Blood is of course mesodermal region. Fluid connective tissue flows from one side to the other side of the body. Hence, it maintains continuity between the two organs. For example, it carries hormones from pituitary, carries it to ovaries. It has connected chemically with ovaries and brain pituitary gland. So this way, carriage of gases, removal of waste materials, passing of or distinct transport of nutrients. So these are all the functions which you already know. So this blood की खास बात क्या है कि it is fiberless. So this tissue does not have any fibers in it. So it is fiberless connective tissue, and the cells which are present in it, they do not divide in it. ये खास points हैं to be kept in mind, that fiberless connective tissue whose cells do not divide in the blood itself, and its extracellular material is not secreted by its cells. तीन बातें हैं इसकी. Its extracellular material is also not secreted by the blood cells, like leucine, like chondrin, it is not secreted by blood. Now, blood, if we start describing blood, तो blood का एक medium है. So approximately 5.5 liters of blood is present in our body, and it constitutes about 30% of the extracellular fluid of the body. Now this blood is, if passed through a filter paper, some material, just like चाय जैसे छानते हैं तो छलनी पे क्या रह जाती है, पत्ती मटेरियल्स. तो नीचे जो टपक जाता है वो प्लाज्मा. Here जो ऊपर फिल्टर नहीं होंगे, they are formed elements. They form 45% of the blood, and 55% is constituted by the plasma. Plasma is watery material, serous-like material, serum-like. That is, this plasma is again having major is 55 का 91% is water. 90 to 92% means 91% is water, and in it dissolved proteins. So many proteins: collagen, fibrinogen, albumins, which are the maximum percentage. Then there are also present immunoglobulins, antibodies, बनाने वाली proteins को क्या कहते हैं? Immunoglobulins, prothrombin. So many types of proteins, they are dissolved and they form approximately 7 to 8% of the blood plasma. Food dissolved, glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, glycerol, they are also present in the dissolved in the blood plasma. And waste materials, ammonia, urea, uric acid, such materials, they are also present in it. Carbon dioxide, dissolved form, bicarbonates, sulfates, chlorides, sodium ions, and some dissolved gases, carbon dioxide and carbon dioxide and oxygen in dissolved form. This will be described in chapter respiration in animal physiology. Now, formed elements जो इसमें filter paper से नहीं drain हुए, they constitute 45%. So it's further of three types. Red blood cells, also called erythrocytes. WBCs, white blood cells, also called leukocytes. Blood platelets. Three types of blood cells are present in this formed element proportion. So सबसे ज़्यादा percentage किसकी है? RBCs की. 4.5 to 5.5 millions per deciliter of blood, cc. So it is present in that. So plus per mm cube of blood contains 4 to 5.5 million RBCs. They are biconcave in mammals, enucleated. So their diameter is 7 to 8 nanometers, thickness is 2 nanometers, and they are transporting gases. Second types of blood cells are called leukocytes, WBCs, white blood cells. So the erythrocytes का main function क्या है? Carriage of gases, transport of gases. And what about the leukocytes? Their main function is to protect the body from foreign attack. So they are protective blood cells. Since they are nucleated, their normal number varies from 6,000 to 8,000 per this cubic mm. And they are nucleated. उनके न्यूक्लियस के बेसिस पे और उनके साइटोप्लाज्म में ग्रेन्यूल्स के बेसिस पे क्या है? They are classified under two major headings: granulocytes. Now this WBC has become granulocytes because its granules are present. Now these granules, they pick up various dyes. If they take up neutral dyes, neutrophils. Neutrophils are having many lobed nucleus. So maximum percentage is of neutrophils. They are having multi-lobed nucleus, and their function is phagocytosis. They eat up the foreign materials. Eosinophils, they are those WBCs whose nucleus is horseshoe shaped. Their percentage is only 1 to 3%, and they are helping to remove the debris after allergies. Then बेसोफिल्स लीस्ट अबंडेंट, सबसे कम परसेंटेज किसकी है? बेसोफिल्स की, जिनका न्यूक्लियस कैसा है? दैट इज एस शेप्ड, सिग्मा शेप्ड. So this is their, and they take up basic dyes. Their percentage is only 0.15 to 1%. Their cytoplasm contains histamine. Yesterday also we discussed mast cells. They contain histamines. During allergic reactions, they release histamine and the inflammatory reactions occur. Now, all these three types of granulocytes, then there are certain RBCs whose cytoplasm does not have any kind of granules. That's why they are called agranulocytes. हालांकि इनकी डिस्क्रिप्शन ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम चैप्टर 3 ऑफ प्लांट एनिमल फिजियोलॉजी में करवाना है हमने. So these monocytes, they are largest. इनका 20 μm diameter है. इन सब में से सबसे बड़े साइज के क्या है? मोनोसाइट्स. And their nucleus is eccentric, that is kidney shaped. And their percentage is 7 to 8%, and they are also phagocytic. And what about lymphocytes? Second most abundant blood cells क्या हैं? They are lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are approximately 30-33% in percentage. They are smallest blood cells. They are smallest blood cells. सबसे छोटे हैं, लेकिन न्यूक्लियस प्रोपोर्शन में सबसे बड़ा है. तो lymphocytes. So they are also helping the body to protecting from foreign attack by producing antibodies. So antibodies. So this is all about, which will be again dealt in very details in the blood circulatory system chapter. Now the next tissue, muscular tissue, will be described in the next video.